Hello children, welcome back to the computer class. In the previous class we have seen like office button, quick access toolbar, title bar, Windows control buttons, ribbon, cursor, document area, scroll bar and status bar. Today I am going to explain you first about the ribbon. Ribbon, okay, this is the ribbon children. It will come in the screen, okay. See, this is the screen and this part is called the ribbon. Can you see the ribbon over here? Can you see this home, insert, page layout, references? These were called tab buttons. And font. Font comes in one group. Paragraph, one group. Styles, one group. Okay. Children, working with the Windows, very fun it is. You love to work in the MS Excel, MS Office actually. If you learn this one, you will love to work in this one. Okay, it's very interesting while writing, entering text and all. Okay, here to enter text, we have to use the keyboard and we have to start typing the letters. Okay, internal memory is called the primary memory or main memory. Here they have typed some text. Okay, the enter, if we press enter button, the cursor comes automatically to the next line, the starting line. And if the line ends here, automatically the cursor will come to the next line again. Editing text. What do you mean by editing text? Making changes in the given text is called the editing. Okay children, here selecting text. How to select a text? See, suppose I want to select a particular word. Then I have to click, only double click on the particular word. It will be selected in the blue color. If I want to select from a whole line, then I have to click and I have to drag. The highlighted blue color will be get selected. Okay, it shows that the document has been selected. Suppose I want to copy the whole page, then I have to press Ctrl plus A. Then the whole document will get selected. Cheese children, now if I want to add text, how to insert a text in already written. See, we have written here computer is a machine. Now I want to add something between A and M. So if I am having a key mouse, then I have to take cursor in between here by clicking in between. Otherwise, I can use the navigation button to move. Okay, the mouse cursor or the desktop on the screen, whatever the blinking line cursor is there, it will come and sit here. Then I can type the required text. Okay, now how to cut? How to cut this one? See children, if I want to cut the document required word, then I have to select the word, particular word. After selecting, I have to go to the home tab. See, can you see here the scissor symbol? Yes, here the symbol is like this, cut symbol. With this help, the required image will get deleted. Okay, and if I want paste, I want the word back, then I have to click this button, paste button. Okay, the required image will get inserted again. Okay, see here, this is the first button, cut button. Then first we have to select, this is the highlighted, we have to select this one. Second, cut, and third, where we want, we have to keep our cursor again. Fourth line again, paste. So the document will get pasted here. To copy the text, how to copy the text? The same thing, we have to select, and here we have to select this second line. This is the copy, and for the paste again same thing. These were the shortcuts children, keyboard shortcut. To cut, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus X. To copy, Ctrl plus C. To paste, Ctrl plus V. Right? Okay. How to delete the text? How to delete the text children? To delete, you can delete the text in from following three ways. Overwrite text, replace the existing text, means we can, but if the selected is there, we can write on it. See here, first one, monitor is an input device. If I select it and I overwrite on it, it can be changed. On the home tab, we can use backspace key. See, from backspace key, we can delete the text and we can, whatever the required thing is there, if you want to insert any other, you can do, or you can use delete key. Right? Overwriting text. How to overwrite? We have to select the text first and start writing on that. And one more option is there, undo and redo. What do you mean by undo and redo? Where it will be? Children, it is there in the ribbon. See, quick access toolbar, undo and redo. Can you see the arrow marks? Curves? Yes, these are the undo and redo. This is used, suppose, see children, if I typed some text, afterwards I think that it is not necessary, simply I typed. Then if I use this one, that the last action will get cancelled. And suppose I think, no, I really want that one, simply I deleted. Actually it won't get deleted now. What to do? For that, redo. What undo does, redo will do opposite of that. Okay children? In the next class, I will going to explain you the spelling checking and grammar. Okay? Till then, bye.